Good morning. It's Judith Anne Desjardins and Hopi in Santa Monica. And Hopi is starting, he's really hungry. He's been out twice this morning. I'm inviting you to see my station where I take my Xylota medication. There has been a change in the effectiveness of it. It seems to not be strong enough when I only take 2 pills. So for the next 3 weeks, I'm going to be taking 3 pills twice a day. And go back and check my blood work. Hopefully, this stronger dose will be enough to do more than just hold my therapy progress in check and actually start killing the cancer cells, because right now they're just stable and I've had 2 new small ones develop and that were shown on my recent CT. So something I did, which I haven't done consistently, is to juice $47 worth of fruits and vegetables yesterday, which will be the accompaniment with my coffee and my massive fruit bowl, which I eat to counteract the effects of the chemotherapy. So far with the Xylota, I've not had any side effects like diarrhea, nausea, or hand-foot syndrome where the hands and feet turn red. And I'm hoping that the addition of the pure juice daily, not just the smoothies I've been making, and increased walking, which is a challenge after the fires in LA, but I'm going to get back to that today. And this is where Hopi sits on my lap and blesses me every morning. And when I have my chemo, he is such an important part of my program. He is my therapy cat. He is my little boy. He is my precious person who sits on mommy throughout the day and plays with mommy and makes my world happy and worth living. The skies are clearer. I have my little birdies there. The crows came back yesterday. And so we're starting the new year. I have my little bison who's made with emerald and this other substance. This was commissioned by me with Jeff Shatima at the Zuni Pueblo. And I figured he would be a great addition to my therapy mojo. I love this boy. This is the actual emerald part of him. He is just beautiful and powerful. Native American healing properties, the buffalo. And also from the Zuni Pueblo is this little beaded pony whom I love. He likes to be with his brother buffalo to bless me. And I have my other beautiful fetishes and my 1850s Russian icon of Jesus. And yesterday the lighting was just perfect for me to make eye-to-eye contact with his brown eyes. And the message I got back from him was, don't worry, I'm with you in all ways and all things. And we're going to have a good year. This is another little quail fetish. And here is my notebook, which tracks my doses. And here is the pills that I take 1/2 hour, 2 tablets. This is changing today to 3 tablets a day. And then this is my journal where I record the various emotions and prayers and requests to my Holy Trinity. Here's another magic little horsey. He's with the other ones. And my llama from Peru, from my beloved AIDS patient, Tony. And the angel I made for myself. She's a sweet girl. I send love and encouragement to everyone around the world who is rebuilding their lives in some way, who is dealing with massive challenges. My word to you is that deep within you there is a strong spirit which is resilient, hopeful, powerful, that disregards current circumstances and believes that all things are possible, and that gives you the strength to do a disciplined program for healing your body, mind, emotion, and spirit. So I ask you to join me on my continued journey and learning about cancer, pancreas cancer. And I send you love and solidarity that we are going to have a good 2025. I love you. I don't know what I look like this time of morning, but here I am, and hope you and I are going to have breakfast. I love you.